We have a variety of flexible finance options, so there's no need to wait for your dream kitchen.
It's always worth a visit to the store, and you get to see the product anyway. You can also see the different ranges and the different products, which also means that we can talk to you about the different price points for the different brands of appliances, for example, or the different types of worktops and how it will affect your budget.
We have a variety of different products that you can pick and choose from, so we'll always have something that meets your budget.
And that means that you can split your project over monthly payments, and you can also go ahead with your kitchen with no deposit.
I recently had a customer that wanted solid surface worktops, but it was just out of their price range. The great thing about our flexible payment options is that you could pay for the majority of your kitchen and then put some onto finance, making that dream solid surface affordable.
We do offer a price match promise. If you can find a project locally, we will price match it. So it's not a specific product, but an overall project. So your whole kitchen, so like including your worktops and your appliances, your sink and tap. So.
If you feel your dream kitchen is unachievable budget-wise, please do come and see us, because you'll be surprised what we can achieve.